guys, Futoshiki. As usual, we're going to start off with a 4x4 and then we're going to have a look at a 5x5 one as well. So let's get straight into this. So let's see if we can do this one fairly quickly today. So we've got a few numbers here. So we know this 2 means this number here must be smaller than a 2, so we're going to have a 1. Okay, and then if we're going up this row, this column, sorry, we're going to have a 1 and a 2 already in. So this number has to be smaller than this one. We've got 3 and a 4 left, so this one must be the 3, and this here is the 4. Now that's all of our values in, so this here must then be the 4. So this is then sort of solving it a bit like a Sudoku. Across the top row we've got a 3 and a 4, 1 is below, so this must be the 2, and this must be the 1. From this we can then look to fill in the rest. This here can't be the 1, 3 or 4, so it must be the 2. This one has to be the 1. This must be a 3. We then have got, this here can't be the 3, so this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 2, and this is the 4. If you're liking the video so far, please consider smashing the like button and subscribing for more. So let's have a look with this one. We've got a few boxes down here that have got values where one is greater than the other. So we know this can't be a 5 or a 4. Okay, so that means it must be a 3, 2 or 1. Let's just fill some of these in. Sorry, 3 or a 2, so it can't be a 1. And this here must then be a 1 or a 2. Okay, let's see what else. Same with this. We know it can't be a 5 or a 4, so it must be a 3 or a 2. And then this here again, 2 or 1. So if we do this by process of elimination, these two along the bottom can be 1 and 2. What's left is a 4. Same with this one, 2 or 3, 2 or 3. What's left? A 1. So let's then build this up the right hand side. 3 here, therefore this one here must be the 3, and this one must be our 5. Then if we go across, we've only got one number left in here, which is the 1. And then we've got only one number left in here, 1, 2, 3, it must be the 4. This one here must be the 3. Now let's see where we're left with. So this is a 2 or 3, this is a 1 or 2. This can't be the 5 because of that number, therefore this is our 5. So this must leave us with a 4 at the top. This gives us a 1 in this first top left box. This must be the 4. And now we're left to decide with this here. So doesn't actually matter which way round because the 1 is here. This could be a 2, cannot be a 3 because of this 3, therefore this is our 2 and this is our 1, and this one here must then be our 3 and this here must be our 2. Excellent. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. A nice quick 4x4 and a 5x5. Have a good rest of your day and see you tomorrow.